has a float.
Hi, and I'm acting as camera woman too. So good.
So let's do some punches. And in our punches though, listen, we're not just...
Let's go under there. Let's go under there. Nah. Oh, it passed.
We're gonna do some high punches, some medium punches, and some lows. But we're not just getting baby arms.
No, I want a bigger space. I think like.
Oh yes.
We're gonna do some twists with those punches. Move all of this, not just this, like this as a unit, like we're doing this. We're gonna go 10 up, 10 middle, 10 low. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Capturing you on film.
10 down. 1, 2, 3.
You'll have these for warm up.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it run. Let's do some arm circles, but we're gonna do the swimming kind. Let's take it back, y'all. 1, 2, twist that body. 3, 4, open it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it run. I'm going to challenge you. What's so important in the dragon boat, guys? Breathing. Get up. Here's what just happened right now. Arms. So I want to do 10 forward strokes from you, and I want everybody to do it at the exact same time. Who are the pacers?
Right behind you.
And the back. Okay, go sit together. We're gonna do it exactly like our pacers. We're gonna follow them exactly. So pacers, we're doing a forward stroke. I want you to start it, okay? You count. I'll do it. Okay, ready? 1. Well done. Yes, well done. That was with your pacers. Well done. Okay. Well, I guess we can't. We're not gonna jump around. Let's just open up the bottom part here. We'll do 5 scoops on one side, 5 scoops on the other. Put a foot forward. Put your beautiful arms in the air, and we're gonna scoop it 5 times. And after you've done 5 on one side, you're gonna switch to the other. Switch at 5. Look at these beautiful arms. You are dancers. All right, let it run. How you feel? You ready for more practice?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your race start? What do you guys think the race start?
5, 10.
5, 10? Yeah, 5, 10. Okay. Do you have a lineup?
Yes.
I have the lineup. Yeah.
Okay, let's get them in the line.
Okay.
We'll do it.
Joyce and
Yeah, here, let's have the first. Yeah, first people here. We'll line up behind them.
Yes. Okay, behind Joyce. Behind Joyce, Kevin. Kevin, I go to behind. Okay, one. Kevin, Raj, Tony. Kevin Farm.
I request someone.
Yeah. Do you wait a second. Kevin, Raj, Tony, Jason, Eric, Leo Yang, Eric.
Yeah.
Behind Jason, Eric, Leo Yang, Vincent, Eileen, and Trish. Yan Shinobi, Angela. Sydney. Then you behind. Okay. Yeah. Pa. Leo Chan, yeah. And then skip one is me, and then Carissa and Elsa.
Right.
And then Jasmine, you're in the front.
Team, when we head down, the life jackets and paddles are in the boat. The life jackets are in the first 2 rows.
So, do we?
We want to get this quick.
Are you guys
Grab a life
extras?
jacket, get yourself
Okay,
in
so
it,
we can-
grab a paddle. Okay.
You're the drummer.
Let's start
Okay.
row 1. Let's
You
go.
two are extras? Okay, let me find out real quick. Okay, we have a drummer and then we have 2 extras.
No. Just
No,
a
no.
drummer.
No, there's
No,
two.
she doesn't want. She has to go soon. No, she's not. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah.
Oh, because you have to go soon.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess what I'm asking is, do we need to come back to the dock
No.
and pick up anybody? Okay, so you guys are done.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
You should have signed up. I asked you.
Yeah, so get your glass going down beside the boat, not right here, down there.
Oops, sorry.
Okay, go 1 row at a time. Row 1.
Do you remember the size paddles you needed, anyone?
You have to move your camera up a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yep. So you got everybody.
Okay. Oh, look at all the turtles. Oh, sorry.
I know, right?
So cute.
Sunbathing.
There's sunbathing, yes. Let's see here. Who needs? Here's some tall ones. 49s.
Can I have 47?
47? Yeah, let's
49
try.
is a little more.
40, yeah.
Oh, really?
47?
Oh, 40, yeah, 47.
Okay.
Is there 48 though?
Yes.
Yes, please.
48. There you go. Let's see here. What do we got? That's a 45. Yes. Shorty. Yeah.
Will they
49?
our own on race day?
48, 49.
Huh?
Can we have our own on race day?
You'll still have to bring them back, and then you'll just pick up the ones from
Like if
the.
I bought one.
Oh yeah, you
Oh, yeah,
definitely,
you-
totally. If you bought one, yes, yeah. I'm using mine on race day.
Getting very serious because I like the 45 so much and there's only like
47. Anybody need 47?
and it's just easier for me because I have 2 guys on it.
Yeah, I know they usually have 48, 49.
Life preserver, yes.
So maybe I'll have to go grab
Let's see.
Yeah, definitely. Who else is having a? Do you get one? Can you get one? Yeah.
I'm gonna give you. Wait. No.
Elsa, do you get a pedal?
Next row. Send it the life jacket.
Do I need to grab one?
You need to get the life jacket.
Are we missing a life
Yeah, it's
jacket?
okay. I'll hold it. Yeah, we're missing one.
Oh. All right, I'm not sure. Oh, there's a 48 in there. Does everybody have a paddle? No? Grab that 48 in back of you. There you go.
Take the 48.
What do you have?
I've got a 47, 2 47s. Let's give you a 47. Yeah, that, or that one might be a little bit shorter. Doesn't matter. Okay.
You ladies can go in first.
Oh, go ahead.
Who's behind me?
You know what? I think. Did Kendra? Oh, because we have her. Got it. Okay, actually, you know what? Let go of the dock. We got this here. Wait. So, does anybody need a paddle? I'm just gonna leave it here real quick. All right, and let me undo this so we can get closer to the dock back there. Okay, now you can pull the boat next to the dock. There we go. And you don't have to hang on. I'm just gonna try and load them because they've got this much space because of the way the boat is shaped. I'm like, I don't want them like going over the water. Sorry, I just got you wet. Okay, it's a water sport. Okay. Okay. Sweet. We got a PFD. All right.
Are you good on paddles? I did end up with a 15. If anybody feels like
Ah.
it's a taller one. You want to try it? Look how long he is.
I think that's ours too, but I will. I'll just shove it back. Let's try that. Let's see here. I'm gonna put this in here. All right. Top there. Oops, sorry.
As far away from your seatmate as possible.
Yeah, make sure you lean forward.
Lean forward.
Lean forward and go back.
All right.
All right, team. We're gonna back paddle a little bit to get out of here. Not ready. I'll tell you when to go. We're gonna do it all at the same time, right? Ready? Back paddle. Backward. Behind. Yeah, there you go.
1, 2,
There you go.
1,
We're
2.
in reverse. Beep.
Beep, beep.
Together. All right, let it run. So you were out earlier today. Did you work on race starts and some race runs?
Yes.
Yep. Okay. Well, we're gonna do that some more too. But let's get you warmed up. So we'll take a couple minutes here. We're gonna go at a slower pace to get the body ready. One thing to remember: keep your body nice and big. You've got a big beach ball right here. We don't want our arms to come in. We're gonna keep it. Okay. Paddles up.
Wait, no, wait. I'm so sorry. The rain is coming from that way. We're gonna go that way.
Go that way.
Yeah, so we're gonna turn around first. So paddles up and paddle, go.
Look up the middle of the boat. Paddle's cute, but don't look at it. You gotta look at your chasers. What are they doing? Stay. On. Move. 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 On.
Or follow the person in front of you. They're doing the same thing as the Pacers doing. Person in front of you. There you go. No,
Look
two.
at the water. Look at her. Look at the
Two.
Heads up, heads
Look on your
up.
face now. Stop.
Up, go.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
Let it run, let it
Let it run! Let it run!
Sorry about the water on your water sport, guys.
Hey Kendra, maybe a good reminder that whatever we're doing, what the weather is doing, we're always in sync. And if you can't see the person at the front, follow the person directly in front of you. So there's a lot of pressure on every single person to remain in sync.
That's right. So row 4, 5, 6. It's so important that you're in sync because 7, 8, 9, 10 is counting on you to be focused right up here with row 1. You're all important. You all work together on the synchronization. So that tells you where your eyes are, right? We're always looking up. Bless your heart. Your paddle is cute, but don't look at it. I promise you it's doing something at the end of your arms, okay? I promise. Let's go through the bridge. And let's go a really slow pace. And our goal with this really slow pace is to do it at exactly the same time. Just like you followed your pacers up there. All right, paddles up, syncing it up. Go. 1, 2,
Look at pace now.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In together, out together, 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 out together, in together, out together, in together, out together. Let it run, let it run. So something I was looking for in the boat was, are we gliding or are we a little tippy? If we start feeling like the boat is tipping, it more than likely means we're out of sync. So one thing I want you to look at when we go in the water this time, I want you to bury your blade, this is your blade, I want you to bury it all the way up so your pinky is touching the water. The more this is in the water, the faster you're gonna go. It's counterintuitive. You think, oh, I want to go really fast, but we're gonna keep it long and strong in the water, but it all has to be buried in there. Okay? So let's do another about a minute, and this time we're focused on the sink and bury it. The sink, and we're getting that blade all the way in the water. Got it? All right, paddles up. Go. 1, 2, blade in. 1, 2, bury it. In together, out together, 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 anybody notice that their hand was touching the water this time? Were you burying your blade a little bit more? If you felt that, awesome. If you didn't feel it yet, you're about to. I promise you're gonna get it. Who felt like they knew they were in sync? Like you're like, I know I was in sync with somebody around me. Some people are saying, yeah, I know I was. Yeah, so this is a team sport, but individually, you have a responsibility, right? You have a responsibility to find the pace to help the people around you. That's the only way we get to be a team.
Yeah. I can probably get us. I can turn us. So. Too much partying going on over there.
Want to try a race start? Well, we're going to try a race start.
Can you go over the race start because I don't think you was in the previous
Yeah,
one.
absolutely. You guys are 5, 10, 10.
5.
5, 5, 10.
Sorry, 5, 5, 10. Some combination of numbers. 5, 5, 10. Who has started in a race before? You've done this race before. Okay, great. So you know that we start with our paddle in the water. When your paddle is in the water, we call it bury the blade. This is another moment where the water is touching your pinky. So when we say, paddles are ready, we're gonna say attention. At attention, you're gonna put your blade all the way down in the water and you're gonna stay there. Let's try that one time, just to make sure we're on the same page. I'm gonna say, paddlers, are you ready? I'll say attention. Your attention, bury your blade, okay? Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Look at your blade, look at it, keep it there, look at it. Is it buried? Is it all the way in the water?
Paddle all the way in.
All the way to bury the forward.
Okay, let it run, let it run. We're gonna do that one more time. We're gonna, right on that cue, right on the, attention, sorry, right on the attention. Bam! Your blade is buried. We don't have time to think about it, we'll just, I'll get it in there, okay? Here we go. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Bury it, bury it, bury it. Where is it? Is your hand touching the water? Is it all the way in? All the way in. Let it run. This is our last practice. This one is going to be so precise. This one's going to be like slicing through the water. Are you ready for that? Okay, paddlers, are you ready?
Yeah.
Attention. Bury it, bury it, bury it. What does it look like? It's buried. I see it. Your pinkies are touching the water. Okay, let it ride. Good job, good job, good job. All right. We're gonna, from that position is our start. And so you'll hear an announcer either say go or you'll hear a horn. And that's where we're gonna jump into the first 5 strokes. These are long, strong strokes. You may be thinking, oh, we have to go really, really fast, but your team won't stay together. If you're long and strong, everybody syncs up and your blade is in the water for a long time. So let's try just the first 5, okay? We're working on syncing up our first 5. We will start from that wet start, okay? Here we go. Paddlers, are you ready? Okay, hold on. Paddlers, are you ready? It's still across your lap. Attention means bam. Like when I hear attention, I go like this, bam. Bam. Here we go. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Go. 1,
2, 3.
go. 1.
Let it run.
Did you feel like, just your personal assessment, were you in sync with either the front row, middle row? Were you in sync with somebody? Okay, just a self-assessment. I'm not asking you for answers, but something to think about. Are you with the people? Okay, we're all going to be together on that. Hold the boat. Hold. Let's try that 5. One more time. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here we go. better. That was better syncing it up. Better. Did that feel better? The boat was gliding a little bit more. That's what we want. So let's try that 5 one last time, and then we'll add the next 5. Hold
Perfection. We're going for perfection this time.
All right, let it run. Here we go. We're just going to do our 5. Are you ready? Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it run. That was your best yet. That was your best yet.
Woohoo! That looked great. You're gonna love that on film.
Yeah. The boat was like jumping up. That's exactly what you want to feel in your start. It was launching. You were so strong and together there. Wonderful. Let's add another 5. So our first 5 was long, strong. Our second 5 is still long. It's going to be a dot faster. But not crazy. Fast. We were going still in that long, strong stroke. Just a little faster. You ready to try it? So we're going to go 5, 5. Hold the boat. Okay, let it ride. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let it run.
Great. The transition to that second 5 is immediate. We've, like with that first 5, we've got it going, but now we need to keep it going. So we're going to continue the long, strong. Keep this in the water as long as you can. Let's try 5, 5. 1, and then we'll add the 10. Hold boat. Relax. Paddlers. Attention. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it run. Let it run. Good. Better. Better. I had to hold on because the surge got so strong. So that's a good sign. If I feel like I'm falling off, you're doing it right.
We're gonna fall off.
All right, so here's the deal. First 5, we launch. Second 5, we're still keeping it long and strong because we want to keep the launch. 10 is a little faster than that, but it's still not crazy, 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 crazy. So remember, long, strong, that's what moves us forward. So we're going to add the 10. It's going to be a dot faster, just a smidge faster than that second 5. Are you ready? You look ready. Okay. Here we go. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it run. Wow! I was holding on the whole time. Yes. What I can see is that your adrenaline starts running and you guys are syncing up a lot better because it's like really important to be in a race, right? You're starting to feel important with it. All right, let's take like a minute to just like calm the breath down, get a drink of water if you need to, tell the person next to you how great they are.
Nice work. Nice work back here.
We're very strong back here, Shani. Super strong.
Did everybody tell you that actually these last 3 rows are called the Rockets?
There we go.
Oh, what? rock.
Rockets.
Number 4.
Because you're taking what the engine room gives you and sending it out the back. Yeah.
I'm gonna get us like shorts with fire.
There you go.
Back, it's faster than front. That's why I'm sitting in the back.
The water is definitely tougher to handle back here. I will let you know that. It's very tough
it's tougher
water.
at the back.
Yeah, it churns more back here because everybody's pushing it to the rockets, and you have to take it and still bury that blade and go. So you guys are doing a great job. I'm a rocket myself. I feel very proud.
That's incredible.
But it's the first one.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Who's Oh, okay. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. All right. Appreciate that. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
That's me. That's just me.
All right, everybody, let's bring it back. Let's bring it back. All right, so your drummer has a great suggestion. She's talking to you while you're racing, whether you're staying in sync or not. So she was talking about perhaps saying middle of the boat, sync it up. Back of the boat, sync it up. And that's your cue that maybe, oh, okay, come back to it, get back with my pacers. So know where you are in the boat too, okay? No, like in between. Sync it. I'll see if I can. Okay, let's do our race start. Once we get to that 10, we're gonna say reach in, out, and then we're gonna take 10 more strokes. But basically just paddle till you hear let it run, okay? Full race start, 5, 5, 10, reach in, out, keep paddling. Okay, reach, keep going, okay? Okay, breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, ready? We are ready to race. Okay, we're here. All right, paddlers, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Just
Oh, in the water. There you go.
go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1. Let it run. Okay. Honestly, anything you're saying is good. Okay, so that was a real race start. What are you feeling? Like, what do you need to work on?
Power call.
You want to do a power call? Okay, we can do that. Is there anything else you can think of personally that you're like, I need to work on this the next time? Is it sync it up? Okay. Is it burying your blade all the way down in the water? Is that what you're thinking of maybe? It might be that because you know that that's going to get us to glide through the water faster. So there's certain things you might be thinking about. Okay, we're going to do, oh, we're scaring the paddleboarders and kayakers.
How about we paddle through them? Paddles up.
Paddles up, we're going to paddle through. Go.
Go.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Sorry, I was trying to be sneaky.
2, 1,
Behind you! Behind you! All right. Hold the boat. It'd be great if you paddle. Hold the boat. All right. Hi.
Back there.
We're a lot more people. We're a lot. Yeah, we go very fast with 20 people. All right, let's, yeah, we're actually good right here.
It's almost race day, so let's try a race simulation. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do our 5-5-10 start, 3-3-3. We're gonna settle into that race pace. Remember, you gotta come back to the synchronization, getting your paddle all the way in. Those are our main focus. If you hear a power call, we're gonna do a power call. You might hear power 10. Now, we're not gonna go faster, we're gonna go stronger. Really get that paddle in and dig. You'll also hear finish it now. And that means we're so close to the finish line, you've got to give it all you got at the same exact time. Okay. Paddlers, are you ready?
Oh, wait. Wait.
Hold on, wait. Let her run.
They're crossing.
Oh, they're crossing. Didn't want to run them over because they're so fast and strong.
Hold on. Ready mode?
The rackets. We're the rackets.
Shoot. All right, we're good. Cool, we good.
Good? Okay. Here we go. Ready? Okay. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Pacer.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Sink it up.
1, 2, 1, 2. Power up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Stay on it. Stay on it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1. Finish it. Finish it. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. Go! Let it run! Let it run! We won! You won! You guys won! You got really tired at the middle? Yeah. This is the middle of the break. Pacers.
One, yeah, it's a 1, 2. That's a power core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power. Yeah. It's a 1, 2, 1, 2. Power core and 9. And then at the end is 5. 5 finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead, just keep going. 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Finish, keep going. Right? Finish. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just keep counting until just 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 until you finish. And that's always the okay, counting. Bigger counting to everyone wants to do it. Yeah, that's done, right? So it's 1 to 10.
They're losing it all.
Finish is 1 to 10.
So
after 1, reach. Back to 1. First is always in the front always. 90%.
Yeah, it just means to get back in sync.
I'm wondering what this number is. It mean the length?
It is the length of the paddle, yes. So from the very tip of the blade to your hand is 49 inches.
Oh, you see from the paddle.
You might need one that's a little smaller. Yeah, I was just thinking about that. I've got a 49. What do I have back here?
Yeah, maybe the first 4 rows. That's what I'm saying.
That's right.
I think these are the same size. Well, maybe not. Actually, here. Try this one. Yeah. See if that feels a little better. Okay. I don't know what. Yeah, that definitely looks better. Oh, sorry. You know what? We're just gonna go the other way then. Never mind.
All right, everybody, let's bring it back together. Let's come back together. Great run. I set my timer for 2 minutes. Was that the longest 2 minutes you've ever had in your life?
Yeah.
Man, it seems like so long, right? Really, really great start. We had a lot of synchronization. And probably about, 45 seconds in, we started losing the synchronization. But I could also see on your faces, like there was a lot of breathing that needed to be done, but maybe you were kind of huffing and puffing a little bit. You gotta remember to breathe. Remember when I said this big beach ball with our this area open? That helps keep your breathway open too. You start to get small. We're starting to not have as much room to take a breath. We want to stay big so you can take those big gulps of air to be able to move forward. So we're going to work a little more on breathing. We're going to do a 1-minute run. With this one, we're going to we're working with the pacers right now to get settled into a pace that's good for everybody. We are slightly fast. That's because we're excited. So we're going to do just 1 minute. We're going to do the full race start though. Okay, so it's just a 1-minute race. How lucky. Okay. Breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Zen and ready. Are you ready? Attention. Go! On! Go! 3! 4! On! Up! 1! 2! 3! 4! 5! Up! 1! 2! 3! 4! 5! 6! 7! slowed down the pace a little bit, so you had more time to keep your paddle in the water. We lost the sink a little bit, but that slower pace was helping the rest of the boat. And it's just a little bit of a change. Okay?
When I say align, that means we're actually not in sync. You can feel the boats like moving a little bit apart from one another. So align, that means you guys have to stop watching the people in front of you, the pacer, follow and make sure that you go back to the same momentum. When I say align.
Okay, that's a very, very good one. Is to say heads up because some people have now. Remember what I said about the airway? If they're heads up, they are up more, they're going to get more run. Say heads up.
Heads up.
Tell me about that.
So when I say heads up, that means all of you make sure that don't just focus on the pedal. You gotta lift up and then go down.
Yeah, heads up. When she says heads up, it might mean she's seeing you sink down. You're not looking. But heads up makes you look forward, and remember, it opens that airway again, so you can get all the breath you need for those long runs.
Yes.
Can we ask to how do we sit properly so that we have like balance for like 3 minutes? Like,
Yeah.
I mean, like proper sitting.
Yes.
I mean, so we put here. I think everyone needs to know that.
Put me back here.
Yeah, against the boat. This one back. This one back.
Oh, actually,
I just want to make sure.
Hi guys, did you listen? You come on, heads up. Okay.
yes. We have a question back here. Proper sitting to enable to keep that big beach ball.
Okay,
Can we just go over that real quick?
right. So, everybody find your leg that's touching the gunnel. Your leg that's touching the side of the boat. Find that leg. Now, that leg is going to extend forward, and you're lodging your foot against the ledge that's sticking up. You're pushing your foot against that.
Yeah, there you go. You guys are both correct.
If your
Yes.
foot, if your leg is helping you push back, it's going to help you keep your body open. So if my legs are tucked in and I try to make myself big, it's really hard. If I have my leg forward, I have more room to keep this open. I'm going to grip through that water. So that should help get that open. Big arms, get your feet long. Okay, do you have one more 1 minute race in you? Wait a minute. Do you have one more 1 minute race in you? Yes! There you go, there you go. That's a drummer. Yeah. I do it. Okay, I want you to psych yourself up for this. And in your mind right now, I want you to come up with a plan. How are you going to stay in sync with the other people on the boat? Think about it. What is your personal plan to keep in sync? What are you going to do to be able to make this one big machine? Okay? That's our mindset. We're going to try a 1 minute race. All right, we're almost ready here. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach! 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 1, 2,
it up. Good job. There you go.
Go! Hands up! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Head down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Heads up.
2, 1. Reach! 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 1, 2, 1, go! 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 8, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Let it run.
Well done, well done. Tell people around you how great they are.
You guys didn't. Lift those weights.
Alright, we're gonna take it on an easy paddle back to the dock. We're gonna do something a little special. Okay, who's in the even rows? Raise your hand if you're in an even row.
2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. I'll help you out.
9, 10.
So you guys are even. Yeah.
Oh, even.
10,
Hands down.
10, 8, 6. Yeah, there you go.
Who knows they're in an odd row? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Very good, hands down. So we're gonna start off all together, and I'm gonna say evens. Then the odds are gonna pull their paddle in. And then I'm gonna say everybody. We're all gonna go. And then I say odds. The evens are gonna pull their paddle in. Got it?
They
Okay.
still need to rock though, so we can rock. They still need to move, right? They still need to move their body forward so we can lean.
Yes, this is all the same kind of paddling.
Yeah.
You're working on your technique, you're working on your synchronization, for sure. All right, we're gonna, yes.
What I meant is the one that pull the paddles in, they just don't sit straight. They need to also
Oh, I
lean.
see, yes. When
Yeah.
you pull your paddle in, thank you. When you pull your paddle in, you can feel the boat. Feeling the boat might mean that your body is moving forward the same way it would be if you were still paddling. Feel the boat. We're gonna start together. Here we go. Paddles up, and it's an easy, nice paddle. Paddles up, go. 1,
Together.
2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go even only on 3, 2, 1.
Even.
1, 2,
Odds,
1,
paddle in.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Everybody, 1, 2,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
odds only in 3, 2, 1. Just the odds. Evens are in.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Everybody in 3, 2, 1.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Evens in 3, 2, 1. Evens only. Evens.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Everybody. 3, 2, 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Odds only in 3, 2, 1. Just the odds.
2, 1, 2,
Cody, get out of the way. Let it run!
Let it run. That was a cool bird though. But you were right, head in the boat.
All right, drag your paddles. Let it go. Let it run.
Let it run, let it run.
Incoming on the left side.
Watch your paddles.
Walk it up on the left side.
Left side, put your hand down and kind of walk it up.
And hold. Nice work, Austin Hong Kongers.
All hired for dragon boat.